Think you know Workstatus? Think again. Here are 5 powerful features every IT project manager should know to supercharge productivity and streamline project workflows. Number 1. Project tracking and planning. Gain real-time visibility into your projects. Create detailed plans, assign tasks, set milestones, and track every update without the chaos. Next, time tracking and timesheets. Eliminate manual errors with automatic tracking. Get precise data on time spent per task and gain actionable insights for boosting productivity. Feature 3. Employee monitoring. Stay in the loop with data-driven insights into your team's workflow. Track productivity, eliminate distractions, and align efforts with project goals. Number 4. Budgeting and invoicing. Manage your project finances effortlessly. Track expenses, set budgets, and generate professional invoices, all from one platform. Lastly, GPS location tracking and geofencing. Perfect for field teams. Track employee locations in real time, automate attendance, and improve field operations with geofences. Ready to elevate your project management game? Visit workstatus.io to book a demo and start your free trial today.